Hello, Brian Myers from Winning Solutions Inc. and the Microsoft Access Experts. I'm here to show you a demo of one of our database templates. Today we're going to look at the membership tracking database. We'll start off by going to www.microsoftaccessexpert.com. We'll scroll down on the left side to our database templates for purchase, and we are looking for the membership tracking database template. And click on the link there. We do have a couple of versions that you can purchase here. We do have a internal use only version, which does give you the code, but you can only use that within your organization. You can use it as many times as you like. Or we have an unlimited developer version, which allows you to package our database template with an existing application or other development project and distribute it as you see fit. The next thing we're going to look at here is the demo. That's what we're after. We have a Access 2007, 2010, 2013 demo to download. So we'll go ahead and right click on that and say Save Link As. I'm going to go ahead and save that to my desktop. And this is a zip file. If you need help working with zip files, I will include a link in the description below on how to work with compressed zip files. I'm not going to cover that today. We'll go ahead and close out of our browser. And here is our zip file on the desktop. I'll right click and say Extract All. We'll go ahead and click Extract. And here is our demo. I'll go ahead and double click on that. You may get a Microsoft Access security notice, and this is due to a trusted location that is not correctly set up. I'm not going to cover how to do that in this particular video, but I will include a link in the description below on how you can work with trusted locations to get rid of this message. We'll go ahead and click Open for now. We do get some information here at the beginning. It does tell you that this is a demo version of the database template. So if you try to enter information, save, close, and reopen the database, that information will be lost. You'll have to purchase a full version of the database template from our website to be able to save information. We've also got some quick links here to our website, a way to email us. You can also contact us through Messenger, Skype, or online chat. Or we've also got a contact form that you can use to contact us about our database templates or access development. And go ahead and close out of that. And we'll look at what we have here. This is our membership tracking database, so we have the ability to maintain committees, and we can enter a committee ID, the committee name, the description, and the year that committee is involved with. We'll go ahead and put 2013. You can also select the various positions that can be entered. It looks like we don't have any members, so we'll go over to our Add New Member list here, and we have a profile form here. We'll just go ahead and make a quick entry for myself. Company is Winning Solutions Inc. Job title, we'll say Access Geek. We can enter email address, web page address, various phone numbers here. We also have maintenance forms for those that I'll show you here in a second. We have business addresses, member type with an associated fee, the date joined, birth date. We can also select the committees and the payments, and preview invoices. We'll go ahead and throw some information in here real quick so we can see everything working here. We'll add a business phone number. Business. We have the ability to add a picture. I'm going to say I'm a full member. We can do a join date. We'll say that I joined the 1st of this year. And sure, we'll go ahead and put in a birth date here. And let's go ahead and look at the committees I'm associated with. Looks like I was automatically added to the meals and transportation, so we've got a couple of entries for our committees. We'll go ahead and look at our payments. We can select the payment type, which is check, fourth bank card, local bank. We'll just say we used a check. The date of our payment, the payment amount. We don't need any of the other information since it is a check. And we'll go ahead and close out of that. And we'll go ahead and look at this preview invoice. Invoice date, description. Say first invoice. We'll leave it at none, go OK. And there's our invoice for that particular member and the amount that they paid and the total due. The notes there that we entered in. We'll go ahead and close out of that. We're going to say save and close. We also can come back here and we'll go and check out the maintain list. This gives us some options that we can set up that we saw on our previous form, where we can set the different address types. So if you have multiple address types that you want to store, we can also set up companies. We can also set up the member types, which we saw in our form, our member setup form as well. We also have the ability to set up the different payment types, the different phone number types. We include a whole bunch to begin with. There is the ability to set up the suffix and the title, if you like, for each individual profile. So a couple of setup forms there for you to customize this just the way you want. We'll go ahead and close that. We'll go ahead and look at some of these reports here. There's an invoice report. We'll go ahead and look at that. There's no data for this report. Canceling the report. Alphabetical member list. I'm the only one entered. We've got committee members, which it does show me that I have been part of a committee for the meals and the transportation, the contact information, which is nice to have. We have a listing by membership type, which shows that I'm a full member. And outstanding balances, which since I've made a payment, that's not going to show us anything. That's the other reason the invoice report didn't work. That kind of concludes this database template. Thank you for tuning in. Give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook or Twitter. I'll put a link to those in our description below. You can also join our circle on Google+. I'll put a link to that as well. Or you can contact us for any development needs you have with Access for a current project that you're working on. If you need help implementing one of our database templates or need help developing your current database, feel free to contact us. You can also contact us if you're using one of our database templates as a starting point, or if you would like to have us help you with Access development from scratch. Please feel free to contact us. I hope you have a great day, and thanks.